Well, today was an epic day in the history of South Africa. I think it was one of those markers. We have had some in the past, but I think this will go down in history. It will be spoken about for decades to come, for centuries to come, as that moment where the supremacy of the Constitution and the supremacy of the rule of law was cemented in this country. We had moments such as April 27, 1994, when we made our transition to democracy. We had in 1990, a few years later, when the National Party, led by the FDP, de Klerk, pulled out of the Government of National Unity, which basically said, now the former rulers are gone. And I think that was another epic moment. And when Thabo Mbeki was recalled, it was a huge moment in South Africa. And I think that particular moment was huge also because Thabo Mbeki left voluntarily with no bloodshed. What it said was that in this country, everything will always happen by the rules, will always happen constitutionally, will always happen in a way other than happens in many newly liberated countries where often leaders are forced out of office by the gun. So I think that was a very significant moment. But today was particularly significant because the Constitutional Court in very clear terms, in very beautiful language, in very hard and fast way, said to South Africa that this is a constitutional state, this is a country of laws, and that the drafters of the Constitution were not dreaming, that they were not smoking dagga when they put certain provisions in place, that actually they thought out what it was that this constitution should be, what this republic should be. The significance of today, the 31st of March 2016, is that we South Africans, through the 11 justices of the Constitutional Court, reaffirmed our commitment to the dream of 1994. We reaffirmed our commitment to the fact that this republic of ours will always be a country of laws, that will always be a beacon to many countries, to many societies around the world, which are still grappling with the issue of democracy, which are still grappling with the issue of constitutionalism. And I would say now that the onus is on those who wield political power to be true to what happened today, so that future generations will actually appreciate this day and appreciate the hard toil that was put into building this democracy.